Good morning students. Today in math class we will learn about area and perimeter of different shapes. Today in math class we will learn the two terms which are perimeter and area of a rectangle. So what is perimeter? You know very well what is perimeter. Perimeter is the outer boundary, the length of outer boundary of a rectangle. For example, in rectangle A, the outer length or the boundary of this rectangle will be 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The total length of this boundary is equal to 16 centimeter, because in a graph paper the side of a square is equal to 1 centimeter. So all the square have same length, and these square are 16 in number. So the total length of the rectangle is equal to 16 centimeter. For example, in another rectangle we will find the perimeter. So here is 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So these are 26 lines. So the perimeter of rectangle B is 26 centimeter, but we have another formula to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, and which is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B means 2 into L for length and B for breadth. In rectangle A, the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter, and breadth is 1, 2 centimeter. So we put here in place of length 6 and in place of B or breadth, which is 2 centimeter. So 2 bracket 6 in place of length and plus and 2 in place of B, which is breadth, and bracket close. We know that after opening the bracket, the bracket changes into multiplication. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 2 into 8 is equal to 16 centimeter. We find that after manually counting we got 16 centimeter, and through this formula also we got 16 centimeter. Now we look in rectangle B. The formula is same, 2 into length plus breadth. This formula will be applied only for rectangle shape. So we write 2 again, bracket, and length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. So 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Now after removing the bracket we put multiplication mark. So 2 into 13 is equal to 13 to the 26. So the perimeter of rectangle B is 26 centimeter, and manually we found that the perimeter was also 26 centimeter. There are two ways to find the perimeters. of this thing. Another term is area. What do you mean by area? Area of a shape is the occupied space. For example, in the rectangle A, the rectangle occupied this area of this graph paper. So we know that the area of a square is length into breadth. Here the area of this square, only this square, will be 1 centimeter square. 1 centimeter square means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter will be 1 centimeter square. So here are another squares. The area of one square will be 1 centimeter square. So we will calculate the total number of square. Here the total number of square will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here the total number of squares are 12. So the area of this rectangle A is equal to 12 centimeter square. But another method is also to find the area, which is area is equal to L into B. L into B means length multiplied by breadth. So in rectangle A, the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter, and breadth is 1, 2 centimeter. So we put here, in place of length we put 6, and in place of breadth we put 2. So 6 into 2, 6 2 ja 12. But here we will write not centimeter, we will write centimeter square, because 6 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter, then it will be 12 centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter changes into centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of rectangle B also. The same formula will be applied. Before applying the formula, we can calculate manually the area of this rectangle. We will count the total number of square: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here are 12 square. So the area of this rectangle will be 12 centimeter square. But we have formula also, which is length into breadth. So here the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Length is equal to 12 centimeter, and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. So 12 1 ja 12, but centimeter square. So manually and by a formula we got 12 centimeter square, which is the area of rectangle B. So I hope what is the difference, you know the difference between area and perimeter. These are two different things, and you have to know the difference between these two terms. Thank you.